start playing around. See the how to get down. It's two phones with the two phones. It's two phones with the two phones. Don't mess wild with the dreams. Don't mess around with your boo. Mess around with your boo thing. Hang around with the loose strings. All around with the loose thing. Nigga hate but loose change. All around with the do thing. Side about the do thing. Do things. Do things. I ain't out switch it. Switch it, do things. This is how we go. That's the drama. Hey. This is how we go.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video, and this is a major update for my content creators, for people on a low data budget, cell phone budget, and student budget, part-time budget, freelancing, whatever. All of them. Canva. And Canva, uses AI. Canva has AI. Matter of fact, this is one of the apps. If you're not on YouTube, you're not watching these videos about AI, about how to use AI and stuff. Canva is one of those apps outside of the Claudes and the Chat GPTs and the PDF, Adobe, and Perplexity and all that. This is another application that's been around for, I think, over a decade, maybe more. It might have been out as long as YouTube. But Canva AI and Canva has a new update. Okay, peep this out. I just got this on my Google Play Store on my Motorola phone. So peep this out. All right, Canva AI photo and video editor. All right, major update. Update is available right now. Okay. You can get this right now. Check the Google Play Store. Okay, I don't know about Apple App Store. I don't have my iPhone yet, unfortunately. Design without limits, even offline. Okay, whether you're commuting, traveling, or in a low connectivity area, Canva lets you keep designing by making your files available offline. Okay, make up to 10 designs available offline, perform essential editing actions, prep files online and offline online and access them offline. My bad. Upload and edit local image files. Auto sync changes once you're back online. Okay, stay creative without connection. Try Canva offline, ladies and gentlemen. This is a powerful application. All right, Canva. It's a powerful application. And I recommend it. I highly recommend this application. Not just for the simple fact that it's an offline access app now, but you got a tablet, you got an iPad that don't use Wi-Fi, don't have connection all the time. Now this application is even more powerful. You could get work done without worrying about it. You like they said about traveling, you in the car, you in the Uber, you're in the Lyft. Look, text now. I'm thinking about text now so bad right now. I'm thinking about Kite Mobile. I'm thinking about all the for free right now. I'm thinking about all this is even more powerful. Wow. Let's just go. Let's just check the ratings. Okay, so this has been out for a while now. About a week. The latest update. So they got with video 2.0 layer sync and time. Every element on an upgraded timeline comes with fresh templates, watermark-free experts, okay? New magic video, phone only, dropping clips and AI stitches. A social-ready video with beats, effects, and text. AI-powered design. Kick off your first draft with a prompt in the editor. That's why I've been talking about that prompting. All right? Perfect for perfect for getting things done on your phone. This shouts to Canva. Shout out to Team Canva on the developers and the coders and the engineers behind this application, because y'all just made it so much powerful and for free, and it's free. This is crazy work, and anybody on a free phone plan, no excuses. No excuses now. You can't get work done. You can't get designs. I told y'all, man. Canva features AI art generator, AI editing app, free, no ads, no watermarks. This is the killer app right here, Canva. AI editing, video editor, create videos in a few taps. Produce professional videos in a video editor with 5 gigabytes of storage. Okay. Free content library, over 2 million plus assets. AI Magic built it. Canva Pro. Well, I think you gotta pay for that, but I told y'all, it's too late. It's too late to be afraid of AI. AI is everywhere. AI is in your canvas, your photo editor. AI is in your video editor. It's here. All right? Use it to your advantage. AI is for free. Canva made it even more powerful. Okay, for those that's into photography, for those that's into art, I would say make your own video games, coding. Canva, that's an app. I recommend it. Too Far Free recommends this app. On a personal level, on a business level too. You creating your own business. You want some logos. You want some prints. Canva, ladies and gentlemen, let's learn Canva. Okay, we gotta learn Canva. We gotta learn how to work this. This is the most powerful feature and update. Period. If you can get it. If you got enough storage and space on your phone, maybe you want to delete some apps you're not using. You can put this on full time now. Do everything through Canva and the PDF app. Powerful apps. These are essential apps. Text Now, I hope you listening. I'm gonna send this to Text Now. I'm gonna tag them. Cause for you content creators, for you users, for like I said, students, part-time workers, gig workers, freelancers, you can use this app, Canva. All right, so like I said, shout out to the team Canva, the developers, the coders out there, people working behind the scenes, customer service reps, the ad reps, the marketing reps for Canva, because you see the commercials on YouTube. Canva. And we're going to go out to the home screen. I'm going to show you. There you go. Canva app. Canva. There we go. All right. Okay. I'm not going to do all that because I'll expose my logins and all that. I'm not doing that. But I'll demonstrate it on a phone that has no internet. Well, a free service. All right, y'all know me. Yeah, but that's the one. Let's just put that on the home screen right there. That's the one. There you go. Yeah, there it is. You put that in your work catalog, your school catalog, your work app folder, and your school folder, because Canva you could use for school projects. And Canva you can also use for work also. Projects, or if you got a small business, or like I said, content. You're doing YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Two phones highly recommend Canva. Alright. So y'all give me y'all thoughts in the comment section below. This is a well anticipated weighted update.
Got the time, I ain't even got the time. Why you bustin' down my spine? Why you tryna rock spine? How you even get this number? How you even get this number? Why you even on my message? Why you even on my message? How you even get my WhatsApp? I ain't even get you all of that. Who set you up? Who set you up? Who set you up? Who set you here? Who set you here? Who set you you with it.